Sidejot AI is one of the most exciting and cutting-edge AI tools that has just been released. And in this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know before you jump in. If you're looking for the best new AI software that's got potential to skyrocket your productivity, stay tuned till the end, because I'm diving into some game-changing features that will help you understand exactly why Sidejot AI stands out in the crowded market. First things first, you can actually try Sidejot AI completely free. Just check out the first link below this video. I'll tell you more about this offer later, but it's definitely worth checking out if you're even remotely curious about how this software could work for you. Now, let's get into it. One of the main reasons Sidejot AI is getting so much attention right now is because it's a highly versatile tool. Whether you're a marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur, this software is designed to help automate various aspects of your workflow. From content creation to data analysis, Sidejot AI is built to save you time while boosting your results. Next, let's talk about its intuitive interface. Many AI tools on the market are great in theory but hard to use. Not with Sidejot AI. The user experience is simple, clean, and effective. You don't have to be a tech expert to navigate it. Everything is organized into easy-to-use features that will allow you to hit the ground running with minimal training. One feature that really sets Sidejot apart is its content optimization engine. It's designed to analyze your existing content and make recommendations based on current trends and your target audience. If you're managing a blog, social media accounts, or even a digital marketing campaign, this is a total game changer. It will suggest improvements that could make your content more engaging, shareable, and optimize for better search engine performance. Another highlight is the AI-powered research assistant. For those of you in need of market research, this tool is incredibly powerful. Sidejot AI can help you gather insights from across the web, analyze customer sentiment, and even forecast trends. It's like having a dedicated research team at your fingertips, and it does all the heavy lifting in a fraction of the time it would normally take you. Now let's talk about automation. One of the biggest time savers with Sidejot AI is its automation capabilities. From email marketing to social media posting, it lets you schedule and optimize content ahead of time. You can set up automated workflows so that you're not bogged down by repetitive tasks. The AI handles everything, giving you more time to focus on strategy. But the power of Sidejot AI doesn't stop there. It also integrates well with other popular tools. If you're already using software like Google Analytics, CRM platforms, or even project management tools, you'll be happy to know that Sidejot AI plays nice with them. This integration ensures that you can centralize all your data and streamline your entire workflow. Lastly, one of the things I really appreciate about Sidejot AI is its ability to scale. Whether you're a solopreneur or running a large team, this software grows with you. As your business evolves, Sidejot AI's flexible features will keep up, providing solutions tailored to your specific needs. Before you go, I highly recommend checking out the AI tools I've personally tested over the years. The link in the description includes some of the best AI software out there, and you can try them for free. After testing thousands of AI programs, these are the ones that I've found provide real value, and Sidejot AI is definitely up there as one of the best new releases. Don't forget to hit the link below to start your free trial with Sidejot AI. It's a no-brainer if you're serious about boosting your productivity with the latest tech.